Selina, welcome back to one of my videos. I hope you're well. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Selina and I release crochet tutorials and free pattern. And today I'm bringing to you this beautiful Buttercup Flower Square. It's a small square. It's really pretty. I will be linking the free written pattern in the description box if you want to have a look at that. And I did use this square for the beautiful Buttercup Flower Headband I made a few weeks ago. I will be linking this tutorial in the notes and in the description box if you're interested. And this is a really simple square. The measurements of this square will be written in the free pattern. So for this tutorial I did use this 100% cotton drops muscat yarn. I will be linking all of my materials in the description box. This is a DK Light 3 yarn. I used a 4mm crochet hook, a pair of scissors and a tapestry needle. However, you can make this square with whichever yarn you prefer and in whichever size of yarn you prefer. Just make sure that you match up the hook size to the yarn. It should be written on the yarn packet. I will be speaking in US terms with British terms in brackets. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. So to begin, you will be making a slip knot, so just go ahead and make a slip knot and pop your hook through like so. And so now once you've done that, you will be chaining 4. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. And once you've chained 4, you will be slip stitching through the first chain that we made to close off this round like this. And we will be working in this circle. So to begin, chain 1, and this does not count as a stitch. And now what you are going to be doing is placing 4 single crochets within this center. So just pop your hook through directly and pull up a loop. You have 2 loops on your hook. Take your yarn and pull through 2 loops, and this creates a single crochet. And as you can see, I am sewing in my loose end as I go, as we will be pulling on this to close off this circle afterwards. I'll show you what to do for this part. You can also use a magic circle if you prefer. So we have 1 single crochet, and now I'm just going to go back in and place 3 more like I said. So 2 and 3 and 4, and now we have 4 single crochets in this circle. And now you are going through the first single crochet that we made to slip stitch. So this is what we have. This part for the second round can be a bit fiddly, but don't worry, it's easily manageable. So now for round 2, you are chaining 3, 1, 2 and 3, and this counts as our first double crochet. And now go back into the single crochet, go into the single crochet with 4 double crochets. So wrap your yarn around your hook, go into this single crochet from the previous round, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook. Take your yarn and pull through 2 loops, and take your yarn and pull through 2 loops, and that creates a double crochet. And you want to place another 3, so 1, 2 and 3, and that creates our first cluster of 5 double crochets within 1 stitch, because this chain 3 counts as a double crochet. Now chain 1 and go into the next single crochet with 5 double crochets. And so my next single crochet is here, and I'm going to be placing 5 double crochets within this stitch. 3, 4 and 5, like so. And now chain 1 and place 5 double crochets inside the next stitch. So 1, this is my yarn playing up, so 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, oops, and 5, chain 1, and now place another 5, another 5 double crochets into the next single crochet. So 2, 3, 4 and 5, and finish with a chain 1, and this is round 2 almost completed, as you can see. Now to complete this round, just slip stitch through the chain 3 that we did at the beginning of the round, like this, and this has created round 2. And now for round 3, we are going to be placing our square, and so this is very easy. So chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and this counts as our first double crochet. We are going to be turning our work and working directly into this space, so go ahead and place 2 more double crochets inside this space so that we have 3 double crochets in total. So apologies, that was my yarn. There we go. So we have 3 double crochets. Now chain 2, 1 and 2, and place another 3 double crochets within this space, and that will create our first corner. There we go. And okay, so we've placed our first corner. Now we are going to be skipping these 5 double crochets from the previous row and going into this space directly. So go ahead and place 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3 double crochets in this space, chain 2, 1 and 2, and place another 3 double crochets inside this space, like so. And as you can see, this is creating our square. So now that you've done that, once again skip those 5 double crochets from the previous round and go directly into the next space with 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, chain 2, and place another 3 double crochets, 1, 2 and 3, and now skip those 5 double crochets once again and go directly into the next space with 3 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3, chain 2, and place another 3 double crochets within this space, 1, 2 and 3, and this is round 3, almost completed. And so to complete this round and this square, just slip stitch through the chain 3 at the beginning. So this is a tiny bit fiddly on camera, I apologize. there we go. So slip stitch like so. Snip off your yarn and pull through like so. Again, as I said, this is a tiny bit fiddly on camera. There we go. So we finished round 3, and what we need to do now is just pull on this center to close it. So gently pull on that, and the only thing left to do now is sew in your loose ends. So I hope you enjoyed this easy crochet tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to check out the easy Buttercup Flower Headband that I released a few weeks ago. It is linked in the description box, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.